Imagine getting rid of knee pain and finally sleeping peacefully within just a week using only 3 common ingredients from your local grocery store. Sounds too good to be true, right? But many people are already experiencing these results without relying on costly drugs or invasive treatments. I'm Dr. Emily Carter, and today I'm going to show you a remarkably easy and budget-friendly recipe using just 3 ingredients. One that's often overlooked in the produce aisle, one that's typically tossed in the trash, though it's packed with nutrients, and one that looks like a sweet treat, but is actually a powerful natural source of collagen. This combination has helped people ease joint pain, improve sleep, increase mobility, and even boost skin health. Before we dive in, drop a comment below sharing where you're watching from and how old you are. Are you experiencing joint pain or stiffness? Let's see how many of us are choosing to protect our strength as we age. And hit that subscribe button because I share life-saving health strategies like this every week to help you thrive after 60. As we grow older, especially past the age of 30, subtle changes begin to take place in our bodies. Suddenly, walking upstairs feels more difficult. Joints feel stiff in the morning. Our skin starts losing its youthful elasticity. Most of us chalk it up to normal aging. But what if I told you that some of this wear and tear can actually be reversed using simple ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen? Once we pass the age of 30, a silent shift begins inside us that most people don't even realize is happening. The gradual breakdown of collagen. This vital protein, which makes up nearly 1/3 of the body's total protein content, begins to decline by about 1.5% every year. That number may seem small at first, but the damage accumulates slowly and becomes more visible with time. Collagen functions like the body's internal support system. It keeps tissue strong, elastic, and well-connected. It's found in skin, bones, tendons, ligaments, blood vessels, muscles, and even the eyes. Without enough of it, joints lose their smooth movement, skin sags and wrinkles, and muscles start to weaken. When collagen starts disappearing, the signs start piling up. Aching joints, stiff muscles, sagging skin, thinning hair, weaker nails, and digestive discomfort. Here's the real issue. Most people have no idea what's really going on or how to take action. Instead of addressing the root cause, many reach for random supplements, medications, or expensive treatments that only offer short-term fixes. The truth is, your daily habits play a huge role in how quickly collagen breaks down. Chronic stress, too much sugar, poor sleep, and excess sun exposure can all speed up collagen damage. Imagine your body as a factory. Not only is it making less collagen as you get older, but harmful habits are actively tearing it down. Understanding this process is the first step toward turning things around. Thankfully, you can naturally kickstart collagen production again. And the best part is it doesn't require expensive supplements or rare ingredients from overseas. I first shared this information with a few friends at my church gathering. Like me, many had started noticing unwelcome changes in their bodies. Nagging joint discomfort, low energy, or stiff movements they thought were just part of aging. We decided to try a small natural experiment, drinking a homemade juice for 3 weeks. The outcome genuinely surprised us. Over 80% of the group reported clear improvements: reduced joint pain, better mobility, and improved sleep. Some got back to yoga, others enjoyed long walks again with their grandkids. As for me, the nagging pain in my knees that used to bother me after sitting for a while vanished. What truly amazed me, though, was how deeply I started sleeping and how energized I felt in the morning. The lesson was clear. When the body gets the right fuel, it responds. Now let me reveal the 3 ingredients and explain why each one is so powerful. The first ingredient is chayote. This unassuming green vegetable, often overlooked in everyday cooking, is actually a nutritional powerhouse. While it may not be flashy or trendy, chayote offers remarkable benefits for your joints, skin, and internal systems. One of chayote's standout qualities is its incredibly high vitamin C content. While many associate this vitamin only with immune support, it's absolutely essential for collagen production. In fact, your body can't synthesize collagen properly without it. No matter how much collagen you take from outside sources, it won't be effective unless your body has enough vitamin C to process and assemble it into usable tissue. Think of vitamin C as the construction manager. It directs and stabilizes the entire collagen building process. A medium-sized chayote delivers nearly 50% of the recommended daily intake of vitamin C, making it one of the easiest and most affordable ways to help your body regenerate from the inside out. But the advantages of chayote go far beyond just its vitamin C content. This modest vegetable is also packed with flavonoids, natural antioxidants that help reduce chronic inflammation. And as you may know, inflammation is at the root of many health problems today, especially when it comes to joint discomfort and stiffness. Chayote also shines for its high water and fiber content, making it a great aid for digestion and supporting your body's detox efforts. Another bonus is its impressive amount of potassium. This essential mineral helps your muscles contract properly, regulates blood pressure, and keeps your body's fluid balance in check. If you often struggle with joint swelling, cramping, or water retention, getting enough potassium through your diet can offer real relief. In the recipe we'll share later, chayote isn't just another ingredient, it's the key activator. Its vitamin C kickstarts your body's collagen production machinery. It's like switching on a control panel that's been idle for years. Suddenly, your cells know what to do and things begin to improve from the inside out. If you're finding this helpful so far, go ahead and hit that like button. It really supports the channel and helps us reach more seniors who need this information. The second ingredient is pineapple, and specifically the core that most people throw away. Pineapple isn't just a sweet and refreshing tropical treat. It's also home to one of nature's most powerful healing enzymes, bromelain. Found most abundantly in the fibrous core that many people tend to discard, bromelain offers significant benefits that make it a key player in our natural approach to relieving joint issues. Bromelain is a type of proteolytic enzyme, which means it helps break down proteins into smaller, more digestible components. This makes it easier for your body to absorb crucial nutrients, especially amino acids, the very building blocks of collagen. Think of it like this. Trying to digest complex proteins without bromelain is like chewing a tough piece of steak. Add bromelain to the mix, and it's like that steak's been turned into a soft, absorbable form, making everything more efficient and effective. But that's only one side of the story. Bromelain also has powerful anti-inflammatory properties. In fact, clinical research shows that it can rival the effects of common anti-inflammatory medications without the harsh side effects these drugs can have on your stomach or kidneys. This makes bromelain particularly helpful for people struggling with arthritis, swollen joints, or long-term inflammation. What's even more surprising is that the core of the pineapple, the part with the most bromelain, is often ignored or thrown out due to its toughness. But when blended with other soft ingredients in our recipe, it becomes smooth, palatable, and retains all its healing benefits. Beyond bromelain, pineapple also delivers vitamin C, manganese, and natural antioxidants. These nutrients work together to neutralize harmful free radicals, boost immune function, and support the body's ability to generate fresh collagen. One more remarkable property of pineapple is its ability to promote healthy digestion and assist the body in flushing out toxins. People who regularly include pineapple in their diet often experience reduced bloating and smoother digestion. In essence, pineapple plays a double role. It increases how well nutrients are absorbed and at the same time tackles inflammation at the root. The third ingredient is plain, unflavored gelatin. While most people associate it with jelly-like desserts, the truth is it's one of the most budget-friendly and effective sources for improving joint strength, skin tone, hair growth, and nail health. That's because it's essentially pure, highly absorbable collagen sourced from animal collagen. This gelatin is broken down into small peptides that your body can absorb quickly, unlike collagen from bones or meat, which needs more time to digest. Think of it like delivering pre-cut construction pieces directly to a repair site. Your body can immediately put them to work. What makes gelatin even more powerful is its rich concentration of amino acids that aren't easily found in a typical diet, especially glycine and proline. These are essential for building fresh collagen and are vital for skin firmness, joint cushioning, and tissue healing. On top of that, glycine has a soothing effect on the nervous system, helping improve sleep by supporting deeper, more restful cycles. Taken daily, gelatin becomes a structural support for the body, enhancing joint flexibility, lowering the chance of injuries, tightening skin, and boosting hair and nail health. Many people who drink this juice say they notice positive changes in under 3 weeks. In essence, plain gelatin serves as the structural anchor of our collagen-boosting recipe. Without it, your body wouldn't receive the crucial components it needs to rebuild what's been worn down over time. When paired with the vitamin-rich ingredients, it becomes a natural therapy for stronger joints, more energy, and smoother, more youthful skin. Now that you understand what each ingredient brings to the table, it's time to walk through the preparation process, step by step. Here's what you'll need. Half a chayote, peeled and chopped. A 2-centimeter thick slice of pineapple with the core included. 1 sachet of plain gelatin, about 10 grams. 1 2/3 cups of filtered water. And optionally, a teaspoon of raw wildflower honey to sweeten it naturally. To begin, hydrate the gelatin. Pour the powder into a small bowl and add 5 tablespoons of warm, not hot water, around 40 degrees Celsius, just warm enough to touch comfortably. Stir gently and allow it to sit for 5 minutes. This helps the gelatin absorb moisture and soften for easier dissolving. While waiting, dice the chayote into small chunks. You can leave the inner seed. It's soft, nutritious, and blends smoothly. Next, cut the pineapple slice into pieces, making sure to include the fibrous core, which holds the highest amount of bromelain. Combine the chopped chayote, pineapple, and water in a blender. Blend on high speed for 3 full minutes to fully extract the nutrients. Then pour in the hydrated gelatin and continue blending for another 2 minutes to achieve a consistent, silky texture. The final drink should be medium thick with a yellow-green tint. If the juice separates after sitting, that's completely normal due to the natural fiber. Just stir it gently before drinking. This rejuvenating juice is best taken first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. When your stomach is empty, your body can absorb up to 60% more nutrients, making the drink far more effective. After drinking, wait at least 20 minutes before having breakfast or any other food. Now, if you'd like to adapt the recipe to your preferences or health goals, here are some natural add-ins that others have used with great results. If chayote isn't available, try swapping half of it with cucumber. Cucumber is also packed with silica, a mineral that supports collagen production and enhances skin firmness while giving the drink a milder taste. Another great option is to add a small piece of fresh ginger. It gives the juice a warm flavor and boosts its anti-inflammatory properties and circulation benefits. If your main focus is skin health, mix in a teaspoon of coconut oil. This helps absorb fat-soluble vitamins and provides key fatty acids that deeply nourish the skin. For a stronger antioxidant effect, a dash of turmeric, about half a teaspoon, can offer big benefits. Turmeric contains curcumin, which helps protect your cells and fight early signs of aging. You might also include a teaspoon of pre-soaked chia seeds to support joint health. Chia is rich in omega-3 fats, known to reduce joint inflammation and stiffness. If you're avoiding honey or want extra medicinal value, propolis extract is a fantastic natural sweetener with antibacterial and anti-inflammatory powers. People with diabetes or those watching sugar intake can use less ripe pineapple, which has lower natural sugars. To finish, consider adding a sprinkle of cinnamon, not only for flavor, but also to help manage blood sugar levels. Now that you've learned this simple yet highly effective natural recipe, the next step is to start using it. As you've seen, it's not about a quick fix, but about combining the right ingredients in a smart and consistent way to support your body's natural processes. Chayote brings a rich dose of vitamin C that helps activate collagen production. Pineapple offers bromelain to enhance nutrient absorption and fight internal inflammation. And unflavored gelatin supplies the body with easily absorbed amino acids crucial for tissue repair. When taken together, they work as a powerful trio that can improve mobility, ease joint pain, increase skin firmness, and even help you sleep more deeply and wake up feeling more refreshed. Just keep in mind, real progress takes patience. The key is regular use. Drink this juice daily for at least 3 weeks to notice early changes. If you're able to continue for 3 full months, you'll likely experience stronger and longer-lasting results. After that, drinking it a few times a week is a good way to maintain the improvements you've achieved. Before you go, comment below with your age and where you're watching from. Tell me, are you experiencing joint pain or collagen loss? Have you tried any natural remedies before? I read every comment and love hearing from our amazing community. And if this video helped you understand how to rebuild collagen naturally, share it with someone who needs it. So many people are suffering with joint pain and aging symptoms, thinking there's nothing they can do. Knowledge like this can truly change lives. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more life-changing health tips designed specifically for seniors. Remember, your body has an incredible ability to heal and rebuild itself when you give it the right nutrients at the right time. This simple 3-ingredient juice is your toolkit for rebuilding collagen, easing joint pain, and reclaiming the mobility and comfort you deserve. I'm Dr. Emily Carter. Stay strong, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.